attention to us, please pull over to the side and stop, allow us to pass, because obviously we're trying to make progress to an emergency incident.
All right.
I'll show you in the back.
Yeah.
Please excuse this one's a bit dirty.
No,
I'm
no,
not taking it to wash it. That's the standard equipment we carry. First aid kit for when we need to provide people with first aid, because we're all about helping people.
Of course.
Stingers, which is here in case we need to assist our colleagues in the roads policing unit in relation to stopping suspicious vehicles.
Yeah.
We have what's called an enforcer here. We use that if we need to gain entry to a property, if we've got lawful power to do so.
Yep.
My personal favourite is a broom to
What's
clean
that
up the
for?
mess. Yeah, to clean up the mess.
Oh, sure, all right.
Nothing really exciting. It's just pretty much the same as any other car, except for it's got blue lights on it.
Okay. What are you up to today? You're just going to be on a patrol, or?
Yeah, I'm always on patrol. That's what we do.
Okay, fair enough.
We try to be as proactive as we possibly can. We're here to help the public.
No, I appreciate that.
We're there to obviously investigate crime, but as and when we can, we're also we try to prevent crime and detect crime and just show general presence to the public. Try and reassure them.
Well, yeah, that's as you are doing at the moment.
If you want, if you're willing to give me your details, I can get our press office to contact you. Potentially arrange for you to go on the ride along if you're so desperate you want to sit in the passenger seat of the car.
I wouldn't mind. Could that be done today?
I would pass your details on to them.
Yeah.
They would contact you in the near future if you're happy for me to do that.
Yeah, let's do that.
I'd need your name, telephone number, and an address for which we can contact you. Send you out a letter to the post. Are you happy to do that?
Oh, would it be via a letter?
Well, it could be by letter, it could be by telephone, it
could
be via email, whichever way you would prefer.
All right. Are you aware of what this is, what I'm doing?
Well, I'm guessing you're what's called an auditor.
That's right, yeah.
You have a belief that the general public would have an interest in seeing what police officers do go about their daily basis.
Absolutely.
Driving around in a 1.6, 1.7 Peugeot diesel with funny markings on it.
Funny markings, you said it yourself. Yeah, essentially, police auditing. Has someone been here before?
Yes, someone has been here before, yeah. Quite a lot of people have been here.
Really?
We've got like a public sector box where you can approach and ask to speak to a police officer who's a member of the public.
Okay, so you're well versed in interactions with quote-unquote auditors and...
I'm well versed in interactions with various members of the public.
Course,
I deal with various members of the public on a daily basis.
All right.
If you're happy to give me your details, I can arrange for our press office to contact you, and if it's applicable and you want to do it, arrange for you to go out on a ride along. Is that something you'd like, sir? It's not something you're obliged to do. So obviously you have an interest. You obviously like to do these type of things with video police officers. Might give you an insight into what else we do rather than just walking around a station looking at cars.
Of course. Is there like a different kind of like channel or something I could make that inquiry, as in like a different kind of?
Oh yeah, you can contact the force website.
Yeah, I think if I want to, I'll probably go through that channel.
No worries.
Yeah. Would you mind identifying yourself?
Yeah, I'm PC Gorton, caller number 2348.
And you're based here, are you?
I'm based here at Lansdowne Road.
Is there a custody suite here?
No, this is just a police station. Oh, it's not a custody suite. Our custody suite's down in Gloucester and Pledgley.
Any other police stations in the area that would be of some interest?
Well, depends what your interests are, really. I mean, if you want to look at police cars, you can go to Hester's Way.
Okay.
There's police cars at Hester's Way.
Is that operational? It's not so much the police cars, more the personnel. I just want to gauge the reaction from the authorities and see if they respect the public's right to take photographs.
We always respect the public's right to take photographs.
Oh, you certainly do, but others might not. So
I don't think it's a case of others might not. I think it's just a case of we find it a bit odd that people would want to record us. Obviously, in the current climate, the way things are.
What current climate?
Well, people dislike the police, don't they? I mean,
why would they dislike you?
I have no idea. I'm a genuinely nice guy.
No, I don't doubt that. I don't know why.
I like to think nobody dislikes me, but I'm quite sure there are people out there who do dislike me.
I don't dislike you.
There you go.
You haven't given me a reason to. Again, you respected my right to film from public. People are going to watch this. I'm sure they'll be pretty fond of you. So, it's more a case of finding situations where the police may not respect the rights of the public to take photographs. I mean, you may find it odd, but listen, it's 2022. Cameras are prevalent now in society. People want to take photos and that.
Yeah, I get that, but it's just from a police officer's perspective, why don't you record big men? They're public service.
They're public service,
but traffic parking attendants, they're public service, aren't they?
They are, but
why don't you go down to local MPs?
They don't.
Ambulance service, armed forces. They're all public servants.
All the examples you just named don't have the powers to kind of detain people and infringe their rights.
They do.
So bin men do they?
Armed forces do.
Armed forces. I mean, Okay, maybe any military bases near here?
The only time a police officer would detain you, we've got lawful power to do so.
Yeah.
That's my personal opinion.
No, of course.
That's the only action I would undertake, is if I got lawful power or reason to detain someone, I would do.
Yeah, of course.
I wouldn't just use force if it wasn't reasonable.
I know, but there have been cases where auditors have been unlawfully detained and that.
Yeah, I mean, but you could probably argue the case and say they've probably tried to provoke the situation, haven't they?
Regardless, even if I
Police
was
officers
provoking
haven't
you.
helped themselves by running into
Yeah,
the
of
situation.
course,
But,
of course.
you would have to question, why would someone want to provoke a member of the public? Are we not human? Do we not need oxygen to survive like you do? Do we not have the
Absolutely.
same...
And I've treated you as such. I don't have some
Exactly.
contempt for you because you're in uniform.
You as such.
I know, there's no issues. I'm just talking about, the whole reason why this auditing, quote unquote, exists is for the reasons that I've mentioned, police kind of overstepping the boundaries of the law to, in some cases, detain and search photographers. No, that's all right. So, that's the reason. Again, I've got no concerns here. This is what, Holland House?
This is Holland House, yeah.
So, again, you would have made a good good account of Holland House. People are going to watch this.
Yeah,
I'm sure they'll be happy.
Just there, if there's any confusion.
Absolutely. Is there anything else I can do for you?
Nothing you can do for me. Anything else I can do for you, sir?
I would like a ride along, but...
As I said, I can try and facilitate and arrange that for you.
Yeah.
But obviously, that's entirely balls in your court.
Just seemed like a bit of a ploy just to get my details.
Not at all, sir.
No? All right.
The requirement for me to have your details is not high on my list, sir.
That threshold has yet to be met.
No, sir, not really.
Okay.
My most important thing is I want to go and wash the car.
Yeah,
So,
sure.
anyway, from your perspective, is there anything I can do to help you, sir?
No, you've been very helpful. Thank you. You might want to turn the lights off.
Thank you.
Take care.
Filming the police station whilst talking to camera, okay?
Yeah,
Okay,
just
sure.
wondering why you were out there just talking to your camera. Were you talking to some friends or?
No, I was recording a video, but I was at the wrong police station.
Right, so why were you recording a video?
Just matters of public interest. Have you literally just followed me here?
I just walked around.
You know,
My
you could have just spoken to me over there. I would have told you like what I was doing.
Yeah, just talk to me.
Okay, sure.
So, my
keep the
colleague has
distance.
spotted you out there.
Yeah,
Just
sure.
wondering what was the reason for the filming?
Just filming the comings and goings of a police station.
Yeah, but do you see why that could be mistaken as quite odd?
Not really.
You filming,
I was in a public space. I'm filming it. I can film anything I can see from public.
right?
Can we agree on that?
Well, I just
All right,
wonder
all
if
right.
it's just
Am I being
suspicious.
detained? Am I being detained?
At the moment, I just want to check.
Am I
who
being
you are.
detained or not?
Have you got something
Am I
on
being
you?
detained or not?
Have you got something on you?
I'm not
that
giving
you've
you my
got?
ID. I haven't committed a crime. Am I being detained or
No,
not?
but it's just a bit suspicious.
All right, I'm going then.
In this current climate,
Okay. What current climate's that?
really? And then filming...
What current climate's that? I want you to explain your
and then
reasons as to
filming
why you found it.
inside a police station as well.
It's just
It's
a
just
bit
not normal behaviour, is it? Do you
Okay,
think it's normal
well,
to film inside a police station?
We have differences onto what is normal, what's not normal.
Okay, let's just say how many other people have done what you've done that you've seen before.
Well, can you not surround me, please? Come on, guys.
Surround you.
Yeah, there's no need for that. I don't know why you keep like shifting from foot to foot. I'm not going anywhere.
No one's surrounding you.
But you're happy that I'm not, hostile reconnaissance or any
You want to
other
do
coercive
it,
terms.
And we'll watch you, and then we'll see where we go from there, depending on what you do. But you're right. It's a free country. You can do whatever you want.
Okay, thank you. I'm well, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. What are you up to?
Oh, sorry.
Okay. What are you up to, mate?
You guys do that all the time, though, don't you?
We do.
Yeah, no, fair enough.
What are you up to, mate?
I'm just filming.
Okay.
Anything I can see from public.
And a big sick public.
Yeah,
Can I
yeah.
ask why?
Just matters of public interest.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's a film.
Do you understand our concerns with you filming a police station in this current climate?
What are the concerns?
Well, people wanting to harm police officers for starters.
Okay, I'm not one of those.
You're not one of those?
No.
Okay. Can I ask what you're doing this about? What is it for?
Matters of public interest. People are interested in the comings and goings of a police station, how their tax money is being spent, upkeep of the building. I see
Okay.
this has been refurbished, so it's
It has,
actually
yeah, we've just
it
moved
looks
in it,
yeah, it looks nice
obviously,
actually.
yeah.
So yeah, that and like I said, tax money's been spent, interaction with police. Are we happy? Are we done? I can continue.
I'm not really, mate. No, you're filming a police station. I'm a little bit cautious about
Okay.
what you're doing.
Well, I've explained why I'm filming.
Yeah? Okay.
Okay, well, I mean, unless I've committed offence, I don't see any reason to give over my personal information. I've already given plenty of information, so. Would you mind identifying yourself? Would you mind identifying yourself? Thank you. And you, sir?
You can see me, mate. I've got my shoulder number there. If you film me, you get up my shoulder.
Okay, okay. Thank you, miss. Are we happy with that? Are we done? So, would you mind identifying yourself?
Yeah, Lucy Cross.
Okay, that's right. I'll take your word for it. All right, thank you.
So is there any reason you're filming this particular spot?
There's no reason I'm filming this particular spot, but the comprehensive reason is, as I've explained, the matters of public interest. The public are interested in this.
Do you understand our perspective of it being a bit strange that you would film the entrance and exit to a police station?
I understand it's a bit odd, like the activity in itself is odd, but it is lawful. It is within the parameters of the law, so I wouldn't expect to be apprehended as such, but you know, what you choose to do is up to you, I suppose.
Okay, mate. Well, enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's the response I wanted.
Believe it or not, we are good guys, mate, and we try. And
I
do a
have
good
no
job.
doubt that you're good guys.
I understand you might be trying to provoke us.
I'm not trying to provoke anyone,
I
mate.
mean, this
I've
is
given you an answer
this
to
isn't
everything.
normal behaviour, mate.
I could just sit here in silence, you know
No,
that.
you could, and I'm having a conversation. I'm not being nasty or anything. I'm just saying.
Okay, if I wanted
In
to
this
provoke
kind
you, I would make you suspicious. I'm
I
doing
know.
the opposite.
Just anyone who's filming a police station, we're naturally suspicious because in this current climate, people want to hurt police officers.
Okay,
and
but
this-
you've
this
used